Yes, students, now I have defined you another question of the differential equations. Okay, in last three examples, I have defined you uh, some properties, taking the properties and solve the differential equation. Okay, in this equation, something is different. That is, here is the operator t is also is given. In example 4, solve y double dash minus ty dash plus y is equal to 1 if y0 is 1 and y dash 0 is 2. Same process, solution of this can be taken as taking the Laplace of this equation. Here is the only new thing is that is the t is also. So you also take the, here is the derivative properties also you have to take. Okay. So first one, we operating the Laplace on both sides. Yes, clear? And Laplace of y double dash, you know this one. And Laplace of t, here you take the definition of the derivative. Laplace of t, that is here is d by ds first difference, and also minus 1. So minus 1 is multiplied, which become plus. So d by ds Laplace y dash. Yes, clear? Okay. And Laplace y is and Laplace 1, you know the value is which is 1 by s. I think you have first one is clear. Okay. Now next one, this is s square y s square, and here this one y0 is 1, so this is 1 minus y dash 0, which is 2. Here in this problem this is given as 2. Yes, so this can be equal to this thing. Okay. And here now d by ds, and now you know the value of ly dash, which is sy minus y0 plus y is this one, and sy and y0 is again 1. Yes, so d by ds is here minus 1. Now to solve this equation, we separating this equation, the ds here is dy by ds, so this one term is here. And now s square and the coefficient of y is here, you see y is here, y is here, so s square plus 2 s square plus, yes, s square plus 2, again ys is here and d by ds, so this one is here. Okay, so this one become, and here is equal to y s, yes, plus 2 plus 1 by s. Okay, this one d by d, differentiating this, then we can differentiating, if you 2 term, then 1 term you get this one, so substituting this one. Yes, okay, I think you have clear these terms. Okay, so s here is s, so operating s here, so this become s is here, s square plus 2 by sy, and here is again this can be written as 2 by 1 by s square if you take this term, plus here is, yes, plus, so 2 by s plus 1, dividing s by s, this is 1, 2 by s, 1 by s square. Yes, this is the equation. This is the form of this differentiation. Okay, this equation is of the form of the linear differential equation. Okay, so you can find the solution of this equation, yes, which is the linear differential equation. So the solution of this equation, you first find out the integrating factor. Okay, and this is equal to e to the power of something, this one, and you know this is equal to solving this equation e to the power, yes, this s plus 2 by sts, and I think you get the values e to the power p s square by 2 and log of this one. So this is, you get s square e to the power s square by 2. Yes, clear it? Okay, let us suppose that 1. And so the solution of this equation, let us suppose the integrating factor equation is 1. Yes, and this one, the integrating factor letters, because you're substituting this integrating factor, and now we get the result. So solution of the equation 1 is, yes, this can be written as s square, yes, s square e to the power s square by 2, yes, y is equal to any constant c1 plus, yes, this 1 plus 2 by s plus 2 by s square, yes, s square e to the power s square by 2 ds. Okay, this is clear. Now you are multiplying this term, this s square, so this become term is c1 plus integral s square, yes, plus 2s plus this become is, so not here is 1 not 2, yeah, because here is given as 1 by s square plus 1, okay, and e to the power s square by 2 ds. Okay. You have to clear it, multiplying the s square in this whole term. Okay, this one, yes, okay. Now you can solve this integral, yes, and the earlier methods, that is you have substituting here is, this is the clear c1, yes, so you can solve this integrated in by part, this can be solved as let, yes, let s square by 2 is equal to v, so 2s, that is sts is equal to, yes, s square is equal to dv, or you can say that ds is equal to, yes, this dv by s, or you can say that this is again is equal to, if you ds but dv by s, and in converting this in dv, so this can be written as v, yes, s is equal to s square is equal to 2v, so this is equal to dv by under root of 2v. I think this you have clear. Okay, so the solution of this can be, this is only the integration of this one, so this is again is equal to c1 plus, okay, this is equal to s plus 1, that is s plus 1, that is p square, s square, yes, plus 1, yes, s square plus 1, because here is s square is so win, so s square plus 1 e s square by 2 ds plus 2 times, yes, this is again given as 1 by, this is given as 1 by this one, s square plus 1, s or v, s e to the power 2s, that 2s plus e to the power s square by 2 ds. Is clear? Taking this to be s square plus 1, s square by 2, yes, here the form is 2 1, so this one is equal to plus 2 s e to the power s square. Okay, now you this term, yes, you have to suppose this one, so this can be again we can be written as c1 plus, yes, s square plus 1, this can be written as 2v, yes, 2v plus 1, and here is again e to the power S square by 2 is V, so this to the power V, and ds is dV by under root of 2V. Yes, clear? Plus yes, 2 times, and this is become under root of 2V, and here is e to the power s square by 2, that is e to the power v, and here is dv by under root of 2v. Yes, clear? Now, so this is again is equal to, yes, this is again is equal to, if you solving this equation, this integration you can solve, and now you get this one, c1 plus integral of under root 2v, yes, 2v under root of 2v e to the power v dv plus integral of e to the power v divided by under root 2v plus 2 integral of, yes, this of e to the power v dv. Yes, clear? And now solving this is again, you can find the value of this one is equal to, you have find the value of this is, okay, this you get, again you get the values. This one you can solve this one, so you get in the last step you get this one, c1, yes, c1 plus s e to the power s square by 2 plus 2 times e to the power s square by 2. Okay. This is again can be written as integrating this, and now we get the form is this one. c1 e to the c1 plus s, yes, e to the power s square by 2 plus 2 e to the power s square by 2. Yes. Okay. This is the result for this one. Now we taking Laplace inverse on both sides, dividing the term here is this one. Now dividing this one, this term again here is, yes. So c1 divided by s square, and this one, yes, dividing this and taking the Laplace inverse on dividing this term in this whole equation, and also taking the Laplace inverse. Okay. So this become y is equal to Laplace y, yes, y is equal to, or we take the ys, which is equal to c1 by, yes, taking the Laplace inverse, here is this y, this is in yt, so taking the ys, yes, here this in the function of t, yes, here is, yes. So this is equal to c1, this is again is equal to c1 by s square e to the power minus s square by 2 plus 1 by s plus 2 by s square. Yes, so this can again be written as c1 by s square, and if you exponential expression, this can be written as minus 1 minus s square by 2 plus s4 by 4, yes, factorial 2, now so on, okay, plus 1 by s plus 2 by s square. If you are solving this equation, then this can be written as 2 plus c1 yes, divided by s square minus of c1 divided by 2 plus c1 by 8 s square and minus up to this one term is plus up to 1 by s. Yes. So now taking the Laplace inverse on both sides. So this is equal to ys. Yes. So the inverse taking the Laplace inverse of y, Laplace inverse of this is Laplace inverse of this is on both whole term. Yes. So this is equal this become yes, this become y s, yes, and this is equal to 1 by minus of y, this is minus ys, so this become Laplace of inverse 1 by s square, and this one, so this become 2 plus c1 t, yes, and plus 1 become like that, because you Laplace inverse 1 Laplace whole time you substituting this, and now you get, since Laplace inverse s to the power n is equal to 0 for n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so. And but Laplace inverse, yes, and but Laplace but it is given that y dash 0 is equal to 2, therefore 2 is equal to 2 plus c1, or c1 is equal to 0. So the solution is y is equal to 2t plus 1, which is the required result, because the differentiation of this is given, and s to the power n substituting here is, yes, 0, 1, 2, Laplace inverse is always is 0 is 1, then you know that the values is equal to 0. Okay, this is given in your problem. So from this method you can solve the differential equations. This one. Okay, students. Yes. Thank you.